depths of autumn, leaves are falling slow. Times are shifting gently as rivers start to flow. I found a glimpse of warmth in your soft embrace. In the whispers of the wind, I feel your grace. Breathe in, breathe out, let the calm surround. Hold on, let go. In this moment, and I'll chase the daylight through the twilight glow. Every beat of silence where the shadows grow, drifting through the